Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated camera releases of 2025. Initially slated for a late 2024 debut, its release window has been extended to the early months of the new year. Canon has a strong reputation for producing reliable and powerful cameras that excel in both photo and video, and the R6 Mark III is expected to push these boundaries even further. While official details from Canon are still scarce, a steady stream of leaks and rumors has painted a clear picture of what this new model might offer. A closer look at the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II was initially planned for a late 2024 release, positioning it as a prime choice for holiday shoppers and year-end professional upgrades. However, production delays or internal decisions have pushed its release back to early 2025. While this delay may be disappointing for eager photographers and videographers, it suggests that Canon is taking extra time to fine-tune the camera, ensuring a refined and robust performance. Design and ergonomics. While the R6 Mark II impressed users with its lightweight, durable build and efficient control layout, the Mark III is expected to refine these qualities further. Subtle improvements in ergonomics, such as a more comfortable grip and more accessible controls, could enhance the user experience, especially during extended shooting sessions. Additionally, Canon may introduce even lighter materials, making the camera more portable without compromising durability. Weather sealing and durability. Canon may also enhance the camera's weather sealing, offering better protection against dust, moisture, and other environmental hazards. This would make the R6 Mark III a more reliable choice for outdoor shooting, especially in challenging conditions. Image quality and sensor. The R6 series is renowned for its exceptional image quality, and the Mark III is expected to raise the bar even higher. While the R6 Mark II featured a 20.1 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, rumors suggest that the Mark III could boast a higher resolution sensor, potentially in the 24-26 MP range. This upgrade would allow photographers to capture more detail, especially for larger prints or cropping flexibility. Canon's commitment to low-light performance is likely to continue, with advancements in noise reduction and dynamic range. The new sensor, combined with improved color science, could deliver richer and more accurate color reproduction, even in challenging lighting conditions. Processor and performance. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to feature an updated version of Canon's powerful Digic X image processor. This new iteration could enable faster data processing, resulting in quicker response times, lower power consumption, and smoother continuous shooting. In terms of continuous shooting speed, the R6 Mark III might push beyond the 20 frames per second of its predecessor, offering even more flexibility for capturing fast-paced action. Autofocus. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF system is highly regarded for its precision and reliability, and the R6 Mark III is expected to further refine this technology. The new model may feature an advanced version of dual-pixel CMOS AF2, offering improved subject tracking for animals, vehicles, and people, even in challenging lighting conditions. This enhanced autofocus system would provide better responsiveness and accuracy, allowing photographers to confidently capture critical moments. Video capabilities. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a fantastic tool for hybrid shooters, offering robust video capabilities in addition to its photography prowess. While the R6 Mark II already offered 4K video at 60 frames per second, the Mark III could introduce 4K 120 frames per second for silky smooth slow-motion footage. Canon is also expected to include its C-Log profiles for enhanced dynamic range and post-production flexibility. Additionally, Canon may address the issue of overheating, which was a concern in earlier models, by improving heat management and optimizing the internal design. This would allow for longer recording times without the risk of shutdown. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a crucial factor for professionals, and Canon may introduce an upgraded LPE6NH battery or a more efficient battery system in the R6 Mark III. This could result in longer shooting times on a single charge, especially in demanding settings like video recording or high-speed continuous shooting. The R6 Mark III could also improve charging options, potentially offering USB-C charging for more convenient power delivery on the go. Connectivity. In terms of connectivity, the R6 Mark III is expected to offer enhanced Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and possibly even 5 GHz support for faster and more stable wireless connections. These upgrades would be ideal for photographers who need to transfer files quickly or control their cameras remotely, adding convenience for those working in dynamic and fast-paced environments. Competition and market positioning. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III enters a competitive landscape, with cameras like the Nikon Z6 III and Sony A7 IV vying for the same target market. While Nikon and Sony offer unique features, Canon's focus with the R6 Mark III appears to be on delivering a versatile and balanced camera that excels in both photography and video. This makes it a more rounded choice for creative professionals who need a single camera to handle various shooting scenarios. Conclusion. Although the Canon EOS R6 Mark III's release has been delayed to early 2025, the wait could be worth it. With potential upgrades in resolution, autofocus, video capabilities, and other features, this new model promises to address the needs of both photographers and videographers. Canon has a strong track record of delivering reliable and high-performance cameras, and the R6 Mark III is likely to continue this tradition. Additional considerations. Price. The price of the R6 Mark III is still unknown, but it's expected to be positioned as a premium camera. Release date. While the official release date is yet to be confirmed, early 2025 seems likely. Accessories. Canon may introduce new accessories, such as lenses and grips, to complement the R6 Mark III. Stay tuned for more updates on the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. We'll keep you informed as more details emerge.